Ever thought of combining breakfast and sushi? Intriguing, right? Welcome to a world where your morning meal meets the elegance of Japanese cuisine. Picture this: pancakes or crepes, not rice, enveloping a treasure trove of your favorite breakfast goodies. Imagine fillings that dance between fresh fruit slices, creamy yogurt, indulgent Nutella, or even a savory ensemble of scrambled eggs and sizzling bacon. The combinations are as endless as your imagination. Ready to roll? Let's dive into the process. First things first, gather all the ingredients. Let's start with the basics. You'll need pancakes or crepes. These will serve as our sushi roll's outer layer, a delightful twist to the traditional sushi. Next, we're going to need fillings for our breakfast sushi. Think about what you love to eat in the morning. Maybe it's a medley of fresh fruits like strawberries, bananas, or blueberries. Or perhaps you're a fan of creamy yogurt or indulgent Nutella. Go wild, there are no wrong choices here. For those who fancy a bit of savory, scrambled eggs and bacon are fantastic options. They'll add a tantalizing burst of flavor to your breakfast sushi. Finally, we have our dipping sauces. Maple syrup and chocolate sauce are classic choices for a sweet breakfast. But if you're feeling adventurous, why not try honey mustard? With everything in place, it's time to get creative. Now comes the fun part: assembling your breakfast sushi rolls. Let's start with your chosen canvas, be it a pancake or a crepe. Lay it out flat on a clean surface. It's like a blank page, ready for your culinary creativity to be unleashed. Next, let's add some color and texture with your fillings. If you're going for a fruity delight, thinly sliced strawberries, bananas, or kiwis are your best friends. For a creamy touch, a generous smear of yogurt works wonders. And who can forget the ever-popular Nutella, for those of you with a sweet tooth? Now, if you're more of a savory fan, fear not. Toss some scrambled eggs in there, or maybe a few crispy bacon strips. The world is your oyster, or in this case, your sushi roll. Whether you're going sweet or savory, remember, balance is key. Too much filling might make the roll difficult to handle, and too little might leave you wanting more. So aim for that happy medium where every bite is a perfect harmony of flavors and textures. Once you've spread your chosen fillings, it's time to roll. Begin from one end, and slowly but surely roll your pancake or crepe, tucking in the fillings as you go. Be gentle, yet firm. You want your roll to maintain its shape. It's a bit like rolling a sleeping bag, but much tastier. Once you've rolled it all the way, press down slightly to seal the edge, and there you have it, a perfect cylinder of breakfast goodness. Now grab a sharp knife and slice your roll into bite-sized pieces. Each piece is a mini flavor bomb, ready to explode in your mouth. Voila! You've just made a breakfast sushi roll, but we're not done yet. We've got the final flourish, the piece de resistance to discuss. Stay tuned for the next step, where we dive into the world of dipping sauces. After all, no sushi roll is complete without a delicious dip to plunge into. Now that you've got your breakfast sushi rolls, it's time to serve and enjoy. Let's start by transforming these sushi rolls into bite-sized delights. Take a sharp knife and slice the roll into pieces about an inch wide. Remember, the whole idea is to be able to enjoy these in 1 or 2 bites. Now comes the fun part, the sauces. There's no right or wrong here, it's all about what your taste buds are craving. You could go traditional with a drizzle of sweet maple syrup, or perhaps something a bit more indulgent like chocolate sauce. If you're leaning towards the savory options, a tangy honey mustard could be just the ticket. But don't stop there. The beauty of breakfast sushi rolls is that they're a blank canvas for your culinary creativity. Feel free to experiment with different combinations and flavors. Maybe you'd like to try a spicy sriracha mayonnaise for a kick, or a fruity raspberry coulis for a touch of tartness. The possibilities are truly endless. When serving, you can arrange the pieces on a plate and pour the sauces into small dipping bowls. This way, each bite can be a new flavor adventure. And there you have it, a fun, creative, and delicious way to start your day. Breakfast sushi rolls, the perfect blend of East meets West. Enjoy.